Hi, this is a demo for digiLocker. We are familiar with cloud storage platforms like Google Drive or Apple's iCloud, where we can store our data. Files that you store on these platforms are not encrypted and only a password away from getting into unwanted hands. With digiLocker, we bring encryption to add an extra layer of security to your data. digiLocker is a web-based application made from scratch using the Flask Python web framework. So let's begin the demo. Okay, this is the command prompt. Let's go ahead and run the Flask server. The app is running on this URL. Let's go ahead and copy that. Now open a web browser, paste that URL and hit enter. Here we go. This is our landing page or home page. There are two options on this page: sign up and login. If you are a first-time user, you can register with sign up. If you already have registered, proceed with login directly. We will go ahead with sign up first. This is sign up page. Enter a user ID in this box. And what you see here is a live video feed from the webcam. So after entering the user ID, click the next button. A stream of face data starts hitting the server. And that's it. We have registered successfully. Let's log in now. As soon as you hit the recognize button, authentication begins. And that was quick. What you see now is my repository. The upper section is meant for uploading files to server. This section is for viewing our files. We can download or delete a selected file. In the drop down right now, you see that the repository is empty. Let's go ahead and add some files. Choose a file. Hit this button to add to repository. Okay, let's add a few more files. We have added a bunch of random files. Here I can see in this drop down my files are listed. Yes. I can select a file and download it or delete it. Before that, let's see if our files got encrypted. So one of the files I uploaded was this text file. And now on the server, this is what it looks like. Let's look at another file. This is one of those PDF files, and on the server, that file no more displays its content. When you select a file to download, it gets decrypted on the server first and then gets downloaded. Okay, let's have a look. Great. It's back to normal now. Let's delete a file and see if that works. So that deleted file is no more showing up in the drop down. I see these are the files in my repository. Now I'll sign out and test this platform with another user. Let's find out if a random person is able to get access of my repository. After multiple attempts, that person could not get into any of the repositories. This is all for the demo. Working on this app has been a great learning experience. Thanks for watching.